Omemezane yazanwa company ya Vision Group yazana naba Mabs OBs and OGs eyabasinga na gore mwali 0 bito muzano gundi na baba Vision Group bachekora bagutura Shema Legends na gori shatwari yemwe
Manyisangu obutwasi engage game twaba comfortable akubaba first game twaje losing second game twaje winning so tine yo third game twatine kujuwininga kongera points mpira gwa gutanguhi konka abasigazi bayigo mpira gwo kubanza gutwa losing ogwa kabiri bija barvizingire notes kandi bagendera script so twagezaho kumeka sure at least season eri mune hwayo takashu mu myanya ya hansi yo ntubana kumeka ntwa maromba rungi ningo mutimo zikozireje omwaka ogu cyeyongera gumantu kutaho competition aho kuba cyo chikobo tukachitamu twenda competinga tutari participating only
timu zo kuzazana Igongo na Las Vegas zagwa chikazi bushaha bundi USPC yasingwa ba Bena Technical Services za goli 0 kandi bagaruka basingwa na timu ya Charity Kibazu na goli 5-0 nderu Expendable yasingwa KCB na goli 2
kandi mpira gwahwaje hatarumu kurwanagana hatarumu no kuyomba kandi nempamyant cyengera kuzanaje
outing yona nkoko kugenda neje kutugendera je habo kuba twazine mpira twagutera goro 8 aharusha so bweno outing neje kuba nu mawo nicho twayika twabara kwata nasaje je cyaretera batera ni yateza konka gwo mpira gwagurije twatubasa no gusinga
idi ya fesa wazino twaka tuluzi zo mpira gwa Green Park etukubye BDM na etukubye Expendables BDM.
We had chances, but we didn't utilize the chances. Of course, we understand in every match, every team will have a chance to you either use it or not. And we got ours, we didn't use it.
Eji abiri round ya mwenda kandi mpaka nza kuendera na round 10 okwezo kurukwija.